Yo, listen up, class, let's start the show. There's a tiny little world you need to know. It's the cell, yeah, the building block of life. Working hard every day through the peace and strife. Every plant, every bug, every person you see is made of trillion tiny cells, just like you and me. Hey! Cells, they're the heart of the beat. Making life happen, isn't that neat? From the brain to the bone, they're the stars of the track. Once you learn the parts, there's no looking back. In the middle is the nucleus, the big boss brain, holding all the DNA like a master chain. Then the mitochondria, the powerhouse flow, giving all the energy to help you grow. Ribosomes are tiny, but they're building it right, making all the proteins with all of their might. Now look at the plants, they got extra gear, a strong cell wall so they don't have to fear. Chloroplasts are green, catching sun from the sky, making food for the plant as the days go by. And the vacuole is a storage tank, so keeping water locked up like a vault in a bank. Hey! Animal cells are round and soft, plant cells are square, holding leaves aloft. Different jobs, different shapes, they specialize, like a nerve cell sending signals to your eye. Hey! Cells, they're the heart of the beat, making life happen, isn't that neat? From the brain to the bone, they're the stars of the track. Once you learn the parts, there's no looking back. Hey! So when you look in the mirror, what do you see? A billion tiny cells working perfectly. Keep it simple, keep it cool, now you know the rule. You're the master of the cells and the king of the school.